Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about quarter quality management. That we can see what is quality and various aspects of quality and applications of quality. So uh, today's topic is quality. Quality from this picture, what do you understand quality? So quality is nothing but it is focusing on something. So here what we are going to focus. So we are focusing the customers. So what the customer is thinking, what is the customer point of view about the product. So that is very much important because the end user of the product or the service is the customer. So customer is our boss. We have to satisfy the customers. So for that we need to focus on the customer. Then in the second picture, we can able to see uh, the control button which indicates maximum. So there is no uh, minimum and maximum, minimum and maximum level of quality. So only it has yes or no. So if it is quality means it is maximum fitness for the use. So no minimum is there. So in the third picture, you can able to see uh, many people are taking like alphabetical letter quality. So, so what do you understand from this picture? So quality is not an, it is a terminology. It cannot be achieved by a single person or a soul. So we need, it is a teamwork. It can be achieved by the use of uh, many people who are all involved in the company or any organization. So let us define quality. So quality is it is nothing but it is conformance to the customer requirements. So I already told you, so the customer is our boss. So we have to satisfy the customer. So we are conforming to the customer needs. So that is quality. So in the second aspect, it is about meeting the minimum standard required to satisfy the customer needs. So so we have to collect the customer needs, what the customer want and preference of the customer. Based on that, we have to satisfy the need of the customer. Then third is fitness for use. So finally, it is used for various applications, products or services used for many purposes. So it is the product, it has to fit for the use. And quality is totality of feature and characteristics of product or service that we are. So totality of the features and characteristics of the product, it must satisfy the customer needs. So then only uh, we can confirm the quality. So next we will see the quality applications of quality in various areas. The first one is information technology, product or service. So uh, So here the quality describes any systematic process for ensuring quality during the successive steps in developing a product or service. So we are doing any services like hospitality, or we are running hotel, or any maybe telecommunication industry. We are not supposed to tell we are doing product. Instead, we are doing services for the customer. So we have to ensure that the needs of the customer and we are serving the services which satisfies the customer need. And quality in management. So the quality management system is used for um, business processes which is focused on achieving the quality policy and quality objectives to meet the customer requirements. So we are framing the quality management system. It must have an quality policy and objectives and it meets the customer requirement. Quality in manufacturing. Uh, in the manufacturing aspect, the quality is defined as the measure of excellence or state of being free from defects, deficiencies, significant variations. So, the manufacturing, we are doing a product. So for manufacturing a product, the product must be a defect-free or deficient-free. It meets the conformance to the requirement. Quality in the education system that can be defined as it is evolves the time meets the social, economic, and environmental conditions. However, the human rights law provides a general legal framework that guarantees the quality education system. So it focuses on the quality education. It is obtained by learning proper quality environment and content be a quality one. We are doing process, teaching process. Finally, we are having an outcome so that the learner will be benefited for the outcome. And quality uh, in software aspect, quality is defined as it is the field of study and practice which describes the desirable attributes of the software provides. So in software, we are developing so many algorithms and used for many applications. So it must be a defect-free and it should satisfy the requirements of the customer. So we can ensure that quality in software and quality in business. Quality is defined in a business point of view. It is a pragmatic interpretation and non-inferiority or superiority of something. So it is quality is not about the inferior or superior of the product. The quality product means is conforming to the requirements of the customer. So various needs of quality. So nowadays, in a global era, we are you are doing any business is a competitive business because many companies or many people are doing the same business. So we must focus on the customer and their needs, then only will win the competition. The changing customer. So in older days, maybe the customers um, requirement may be it is constant, but nowadays the customer demand they are continuously changing their demand. So the quality system is also changing. The changing product mix. So it varies from low volume to high volume or high price to low volume. Low price have resulted in the need of reduced to internal cost of poor quality. So variety of parts we are dealing. So it varies from various prices to the volume. So we must accommodate these things. And product complexity. So variety of parts, complex parts we are manufacturing it should reliable to the use of customers and suppliers, and we have to follow stringent quality measures. So hope this session will addresses the need of quality and quality definition of quality in various aspects. Then definition of quality. So thanks for listening video. Thank you.